entrance and we're about to go in an airboat.
Dun 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 dun. What is up, guys? I'm here at Everglades Holiday Park going on a little adventure with my niece and my mom. We're about to take an airboat out to the Everglades and do a little tour. Are you guys excited to be here?
Yay! Yay!
Gator Country.
Be careful with the raccoons.
They're called trash pandas. What I have right here is a piece of the green cattail grass. All I'm going to do is simply remove the outer green layer of the stem. You are now wearing the first ever Everglades Band-Aid. It's going to dry up, it's going to become sticky, and it'll wrap right around your finger like a Band-Aid. So we just got off the airboat ride and we saw 3 different alligators, not crocodiles. We saw one gigantic orange iguana, which means that it's a male because iguanas are green if they're females and if they're males they're orange. So now we're about to head to the gator show where I believe Bia is gonna hold an alligator. Are you gonna hold one? Cool, give me 5. Give our fans a quick recap. Did you enjoy the airboat ride? Did we go fast?
Yes.
Did we drift? It's cool, right? A lot of fun?
That
Good.
was so fun.
I'm gonna be honest, okay? This gator's been dead for 2 weeks. That's good, that's good, that's good. So the first thing you want to do is tie the jaws shut. A gator this size has about 2,000 pounds of crushing power per square inch in the jaws. That's enough to crush any bone in your body.
Take out a rope, couple of wraps, tie a knot.
And you'd have yourself a cotton-tied alligator. Now, judging by the complete lack of applause, I'm assuming you people are not really impressed with the alligator. Sorry, I'll try to redeem. Oh, that's very tough. Sometimes people clap. Smells amazing, by the way. Yeah, I found my keys. Oh, that's enough, that's enough. Get off the alligator, best part of the show for me, probably for Hector, too. Hey,
So these are gator bites. You eat them with this here sauce, which is kind of like spicy mayo. So you grab it, dip it here.